में होके सवार चली रहे, the recreation of a classic. So how was the experience working in a classic song and as well as an iconic song?
I was honestly honored to have had this opportunity that we are getting to have a take two on one of the most iconic 90s number. So there was excitement, there was nervousness, but I think excitement took over and then there was just fun.
बहुत मज़ा आया. बहुत ही कमाल का गाना है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल रेंडिशन बाय असीस एंड शाहिद. एंड जो हमारी टीम थी वो इक्वली कमाल की थी. द कोरियोग्राफर, द डायरेक्टर. एंड वहाँ पे जाके जिस तरह से हमने वी स्ट्रेट अवे got into it, and it was a very very fulfilling experience. Punjab has a vibe, and I think both of us loved it.
The origin was picturized on legend like Madhuri and Sanjay Dutt. So was there any pressure for recreating this song?
Yeah, I mean, वही nervousness थी कि माधुरी मैम का गाना था and obviously संजय सर का. But this is something that we just wanted. I think it's very today, it's very fresh. So you had to kind of remove that pressure and see it ki acha nahi, we're doing a spin on something very iconic, but that doesn't mean that you're paying sort of a homage to your roots, no? So it's circling back. So how do you honor it in the most authentic way? So you put your own spin to it. You bring what you think would could actually kind of sort of lift it or take it in a different direction. So we were working with a brilliant crew. The storyline is very different. It's very very now. So we were just I think we were doing. Obviously, we are learning from the best. We had Madhuri ma'am and Sanjay sir to look up to and kind of go back to as our Bibles. So we had, I would say, ki it wasn't the pressure. They were guiding us how to take this approach.
Yeah, it's a very very different take on the song, and we were just having a blast. I think एक शादी की vibe है और एक जिस तरह से, and we've grown up with remixes. You understand, कि हम एक iconic गाने को एक वाइडर ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो उसमें एक प्रेशर से ज़्यादा मेरे ख्याल है एक एक्साइटमेंट ज़रूर थी. इट्स अ लवली सॉन्ग, एंड आई थिंक इट जस्ट काइंड ऑफ was all happened in fun and games, no pressure.
जैसे आपने कहा शादी की वाइब थी, तो इन पर्सन आपको कैसी लड़की चाहिए या आपको कैसा लड़का चाहिए, कुछ बता सकते हो उसके बारे में?
मुझे आप बताओ. अगर मुझे पता होता तो मैं होती ना मेरे साथ लड़की. That's a $1 million question.
I don't know, but I think somebody who can share the same understanding as me and who is ready to dance to these songs with me. I think that is my ideal guy.
I've answered my question, yeah.
Okay, Tanya ji, you're grateful also these songs are getting a lot of love. So how challenging was it to match the expressions and energy?
Match तो नहीं कर सकते. It's only an attempt and I can only try my best. So but Sumit sir's team, who was choreographing this song, he was constantly like, he was my biggest cheerleader, I think, on set, and his entire team, they were like, yeah, you can do this, and they were guiding me and then telling me कि अच्छा ठीक है, now let's try this, now let's try that. So we were, at the end of the day, they told me, just know that you're here to have fun. Don't go into a zone where you're trying to be somebody or not, because that will not be true to this song and the concept that we've brought here. So remember, when you have fun, it shows on screen. So that was I think my mantra. Have fun, be present, and just do your best.
एक बात ये आपसे जानना चाहिए कि आप इससे पहले इंटेंस रोल्स कर चुके हैं और मतलब काफ़ी ज़्यादा मतलब how was the experience being a part of a romantic and musical setup?
हम तो यही करने आए थे यार. पता नहीं कभी पाताल लो. I tell you what, the thing is that I had a blast. I've loved, as a kid I used to love dancing, I used to love Bollywood songs, और finally एक मुझे मौका मिला to do, and I've grown up watching music videos. I've been wanting to do one, and I'm so glad that I started with something with an iconic song, with a wonderful team, with tips, and it was just like a dream come true.
आपकी फिल्म केल और पाताल लोक, आप दोनों की फिल्में काफ़ी डिफरेंट वाइब्स शो करती है, तो हाउ डू यू स्विच बिटवीन सच डिफरेंट रोल्स?
Between Kill and Patal Lok, or between that and this?
Between that and this.
This. No, I mean it's all about performance. I think an actor. Look, I mean we didn't choose the roles. The kind of the filmmakers chose us, and it's also because आजकल कहानियाँ उस तरह की बताई जा रही हैं, which are more gritty and edgy and कहीं ना कहीं. So I mean I think if the flavor of the season was good old Bollywood, you'd see us in more of those. बट दोनों की अपनी रेलेवेंस है. दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट एंड आई थिंक अगर आपके अंदर कोई एक जेन्युइन इंटरेस्ट होता है, कैपेबिलिटी होती है, हाउ दिस टीम फाउंड अस, मोर सच थिंग विल हैपन इन फ्यूचर टू.
जैसा इशफाक कह रहे थे कि आई फील लाइक बोथ हैव देयर ओन स्पेस इन देयर डोमेन्स एंड आई एम एन इक्वल कंज्यूमर ऑफ बोथ. तो आई वॉज एक्चुअली वही देख के बड़े हुए हैं, तो हमेशा से एक चाव रहता है कि करना है. सो आई वॉज टेलिंग मनदीप सर, हु इज़ द डायरेक्टर ऑफ दिस वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो द टिप्स टीम, दैट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लेट मी लिव माई बॉलीवुड ड्रीम्स. सो मैं माधुरी दीक्षित बनना चाहती हूँ उससे लेके मैं उनका गाना कर रही हूँ यार. सो दैट ऑल ऑफ दैट हैज़ हैपेंड.
आप दोनों से ज़्यादा है कि आप OTT और फिल्म दोनों में काम कर चुके हैं, तो कौन सा मीडियम आप इंजॉय करते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा?
स्टोरी टेलिंग.
ये तो KBC का वो आंसर हो गया, ABCD आपने E चुन लिया. ये तो no, but I think what she's saying, I agree with that. It's doesn't matter whether it's a theatrical or a web show or a film on a streamer. I think for an actor, kahin na kahin it's the characters, the story, it's all those things. Yeah. You don't. I mean, you can't change your performance basis that okay, this is going to be play on a particular platform and not the other one. You do it with your sensibility and as a collaboration with the director.
स्पेशली 90s की बात की जाए तो 90s में जब एल्बम आता था तो हम देखते थे कि उसमें मॉडल्स लोग रहती थी, जो मतलब फेमस मॉडल्स हैं वो इस गाने में रहती हैं. बट आजकल के जो एल्बम्स आते हैं तो जो है उसमें ज़्यादातर एक्टर्स दिखते हैं हमको, जैसे बीच में अक्षय कुमार जी ने किया था. तो क्या चेंज देखते हैं आप इस चीज़ में आपको?
I feel like one of the realizations that I had while doing a music video was that as actors you treat your dialogues as how you're going to express. So आपको as an actor ही approach करना पड़ेगा in lyrics को, where the lines that you're saying are your dialogue. So you're expressing, you're still communicating. So I think this is such a great workshop for actors where you are kind of you can go into very, very different zones where the lyrics could be saying one thing, or you could take it very literally and be expressing that through your face or your body, or take the totally opposite approach where the lyrics could be saying one thing and you could be portraying one a completely opposite thing. So I feel like this was my workshop where I was being groomed in a very different way, and I feel like that is so necessary because this requires a different skill set altogether, and I feel like actors should definitely be doing this more.
No, I think I can't think of a reason why anyone wouldn't want to do it, and I'm not surprised that Akshay sir is doing it, and other actors are senior actors are also doing it because. I mean, look at the quality of. I've been asked by people that when is this film releasing? So it's that's the appeal of something done so tastefully. And, एक इतना अच्छा बना दो यार एक फिल्म, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. पालकी में होके सवार चली रहे है ना. स्टोरी वैसे इसकी पूरी फिल्म बन सकती है. स्टोरी लाइन वाज फैंटास्टिक. I loved it. I think what got me excited on set was like how the director was telling me अब ये हो रहा है, अब वैसा हो रहा है, अब मैं इसको वो लड़की आपको बेवकूफ़ बना रही है या फिर शी मज़े ले रही है, now you're getting irritated. So it's very ये क्या है कि हमारे अभी क्या है कि ज़िंदगी थोड़ी काफ़ी वो हो गई, इंटेंस हो गई है. लेकिन अभी आप छोटे शहरों में जाओ कई बार sometimes you also kick back and relax. These are the happy simple joys of life. you know, the good old apna your laid back life. This is what it is. This is what we live for.
Tanya ji, आपसे जानना चाहिए कि from a suitable boy to now, how do you see your journey evolving in the industry?
I feel like I am where I was always meant to be, and this journey has just brought me closer to where I'm headed. So I'm grateful for all the learnings that I've had along the way, and there's so much more to learn for me still.
सर आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि बॉलीवुड often uses remakes and recreation. So do you think originality is being sidelined in the industry?
No, not at all. I mean, a lot of actually so much. There's a sea of content out there. कितनी सारी नई फिल्में भी बनती हैं, ओरिजिनल कंटेंट भी आ रहा है. I mean, whatever work I've done quite a lot of stuff the last 4 years. It's all original content, but it's just that, you know, there's appetite इतनी ज़्यादा है कि, और हमारी इतनी अच्छी कोई कहानियाँ ऐसी होती हैं जो जिनको एक मेरा ख्याल है वाइडर ऑडियंस उस टाइम मिला था, लेकिन अभी भी वो रेलेवेंट है. There's a reason why Shakespeare plays still happen all these years. So a good story is always relevant, and filmmakers see merit in कि इसको हम एक नए ट्विस्ट के साथ, you know, to make it contemporary and to sort of bring it to today's audience.
आप दोनों से जानना चाहेंगे एज एन आउटसाइडर्स, आप लोगों ने इतना काम किया है इंडस्ट्री में और ओटीटी में, तो एज एन आउटसाइडर्स डू यू फील दैट इट्स हार्डर टू एस्टैब्लिश योरसेल्फ कंपेयर्ड टू स्टार किड्स?
I feel like everybody has their own struggles, and there is no way to quantify कि अच्छा नहीं क्या किसका आसान रही है जर्नी, किसकी मुश्किल रही है ज़्यादा. तो सबके अपनी अपनी होती हैं. आई थिंक सब अपनी. आई स्टार्टेड विद अ सूटेबल बॉय, सो आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन से दीज थिंग्स कि अच्छा ये मेरे लिए ज़्यादा मुश्किल है, बिकॉज द लव आई हैव रिसीव्ड फॉर अ सूटेबल बॉय एंड फॉर किल. I feel like the industry has really showed up for me, and it's being very, very open and welcome to outsiders, if you call that. But we are all here to make our own sort of space and make our own mark. So we are here for that, and we are doing that.
एक और चीज सर आपका रिएक्शन
About the
outsiders, do you feel harder to establish yourself compared to star kids?
I don't really think about it. I think I've always believed that, you know, at whatever stage I am in my career, I've got what I deserved. So yeah, beyond that, I don't really apply my mind to this.
विश्वास जी, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, you have done critically acclaimed work, but you haven't been promoted like some others. So do you think that this talent is alone enough to survive?
It's okay. No, I mean, I think it's, look, I mean, these things are not, like I said, there's a lot of content out there, you know, things get made, they stay with people, and filmmaking is not a place where, you know, you're going to get an instant, you know, result and things will translate right away. Things come at their own pace. I'm happy with, you know, what I've got. I've got enough on my plate. So beyond that, you know, I'd just be, I guess, be greedy if I think that I'm not getting enough.
आपसे जानना चाहेंगे मैम कि as a female actor, do you feel actresses get strong roles compared to few actors get strong role compared to male actors?
No. I feel like I have actually a suitable boy. Lata was the main character, so I have actually done like whatever strong is according to you, because strong could have various interpretations. I have done a P.I. Meena, again female character. Tooth Pari, again female character. Tulika in Kill shows so much strength. So it also is very, very dependent on how you perceive strong. But if you have to make your mark, it doesn't really define. It's not defined by gender, I don't think.
Last एक छोटा सा rapid fire खेल लेते हैं. One actor or director you love to work with?
Mani Ratnam sir and Shah Rukh Khan sir.
Same.
If you had to dedicate a song to each other, what would it be?
पालकी में होके सवार चली रे.
Same.
If you could swipe roles with any Bollywood star for a day, who would it be?
If I could what?
If you could swipe your roles with any of the Bollywood star for a day.
Roles or life?
Same. Bollywood life.
सब वो बोल रहे same. हम दोनों ने
Same.
बोल दिया.
Same. Who could I swipe? नहीं यार, I'm very happy being myself.
सेम मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है बट
Which one thing fans don't know about you?
That I
नहीं बोलो ना मुझे भी जानना है बोलो ना
कि that I'm a foodie.
ओह ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं है आई फील लाइक मैं सब कुछ ही बोल देती हूँ आई डोंट नो
सोशल मीडिया की बात की जाए तो सोशल मीडिया आप लोगों की लाइफ में कितना अहम रोल प्ले करता है?
सोशल मीडिया का शॉर्ट तो हर अभी मैं इंटरव्यू ख़त्म करते ही अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे जाऊँगा. वो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम का शॉर्ट चाहिए होता है भाई हर 15 मिनट में.
मेरा एक्चुअली इतना नहीं है मैं इतना नहीं कंज्यूम करती हूँ बट जब काम होता है तब I'm very active on it.
You are always, I've seen, every time you're green, I can see green. Like that you're online.
पर मेरा तो भाई और मेरा तो नोटिफिकेशंस भी ऑफ है यार. ऐसे
I'm
कैसे
kidding.
होता है? मुझे
Kidding.
पता भी नहीं था ये इंस्टाग्राम पे फीचर होता है क्या?
Okay, if Patal Lok had a Bollywood item song, what would it be called?
पाताल लोक में तो बॉलीवुड आइटम सॉन्ग की कोई जगह ही नहीं है. उसके लिए एक अलग ही फिल्म बनेगी.
मैं तो क्या बोलूँ
If Bollywood made a remake of Kill, which actor should play your roles?
बॉलीवुड ने बना तो दिया कि रीमेक कर रहे हैं हम
Kill का अगर एक और रीमेक बनता है
तो देन आई वुड ओनली प्ले इट थैंक्स
क्या मैसेज देना चाहिए fans को?
Hi, this is Ishwak Singh.
हाय हम तान्या मानिक टाला
Please watch our song
पालकी में होके सवार
by Tips and like, share, subscribe. It's an amazing song. Give it love. Thank you.
थैंक यू